Are you looking for a fun way to show off your beautiful moments and amazing videos? Why not create a video collage? A video collage is a unique way to show off your favorite video or photo montage. Just like how a photo collage is a series of images put together, a video collage groups videos, GIFs, and images with fun music and animations in a visually appealing way. To make a wonderful video collage, you must choose a tool that will bring out a good output. Among the various video editing tools, we recommend ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate. Aside from being a converter, this tool is a powerful video editing software that offers a range of features to help you manipulate and enhance your videos. One of its features is a collage maker. This feature provides various templates and kinds of collages. You can add up to or more videos depending on your chosen frame. It has a filter and audio to add spice to the collage video. This tool can help you produce amazing collage videos without any hassle. To get this tool, visit www.acesif.com/videoconverterultimate or click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to make a video collage. Once the tool is downloaded, open it. On the tool's main interface, select the Collage tab. Pick a frame from the collage template that is suited to your taste. After that, click the plus icons to add your videos. Click the border if you want to adjust the thickness of your border. There are two boxes beside the border, one with various plain colors, and the other has various designs. After you have designed your border, you can use filters and effects to enhance your video visual. Make your collage video more appealing by adding background audio. To do it, mark the background music box, then add the music you want for the video. You can loop, adjust the volume and control the delay of the music. See the result in the preview. Once satisfied, click the export button and wait for the process to end. As easy as that, you can produce video collages. Video collage is popular on any social media platform, so create yours now with ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate. This tool is a powerful video editing software that offers a range of features to help you manipulate and enhance your videos. You don't need to worry because this tool will surely make an amazing video collage for you. So what are you waiting for? Get ACESIF Video Converter now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel, ACESIF. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.